In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use webhooks to send data via Integrately by Bitform. From the Bitform dashboard, create a new form if not exists, or select any other form to use the webhook. We have two fields to test the webhook here, and we have selected the form at the front end to show. Now go to your Integrately dashboard and create a new connection. Search for webhook and select it to continue to the next step. Select the next app to send those webhook data. You can send your data to any of the apps. We will use Google Sheets as an example for this video. Integrately has already an automated integration for us, but if you wish more customizability, you can do that in this portion. We will choose the automated operation for the demo. In step 1, click on Add Connection button to connect the webhook with Bitform. Copy the generated webhook URL and go to Bitform dashboard to connect it with Integrately. Go to Settings, Confirmations, Webhooks, and then create a new webhook. Paste the copied webhook URL. You can send the request by any method such as GET, POST, or by your preference. We will send with POST method as an instance. Add URL parameters to send the form value, which we can use in Integrately later. Map the key name and select the field name which you want to send as a value. We will map here both fields of this form. Now, to test if the webhook is connected, click on the Test Webhook button in Bitform. If it shows a successful message, go to Integrately dashboard again. Check on the tick mark and the Test Connection button to see if Bitform is connected. As we can see, the connection has been made. Now connect your Google Sheets account and then configure the app as your preference. Select the spreadsheet and sheet name to send the webhook values. These are the header names of the selected spreadsheet. Select the key name of the webhook trigger which you sent from Bitform at the initial test. Click to test and go live to activate the workflow. Update the settings you made in Bitform to activate the workflow. But at first, you have to make sure the webhook is all set to work before testing the trigger. If your form consists of only one webhook, you don't have to select it in conditional logics, but if you have multiple, then in conditional logics, you have to set which webhook to run. Now we will fill in some information and submit the form to test if the webhook triggers. Bitform has successfully triggered the workflow. From now on, whenever the form is submitted, the Integrately workflow will trigger. Thanks for watching.